Kasi kailangan natin ng finality. So kailangan natin ng final political settlement. The declaration of insurgency are basically operational and it has some strategic effect. But definitely ang pinakaano natin talaga is magkaroon ng complete agreement that armed struggle is not anymore needed in order to effect change. So kailangan ipaabot natin sa kabila yon na there's no need for armed rebellion. And if they agreed, and then we have a peace agreement, at least meron tayo tinatawag na yung final settlement.
Sir, kamusta po yung exploratory talks ngayon na pinag-usapan ng CPP and yung exploratory talks po, kamusta na po?
Sa ngayon, we are very positive and very positive na.
Mag-i-end po ba tayo ng...
Most likely before the end of the administration of the government.
Sir, the Supreme Court ruled that Sulu is not part of the bar. How will it affect your peace initiatives?
There is an effect, definitely. But ang magkagandahan lang is the PAPRO is implementing our localization through the provincial governor and government. So I think very minimal ang impact in the sense that our agreement with the group is still maintains yung ating implementation of this process. With the MLF is still proceeding positive.
How about sir yung decommissioning process natin?
It will continue. We are advising and also we are recommending that the fourth phase of 60,000 will continue.
Sir, kamusta po yung preparation ng PAPRO sa parliamentary election?
Ongoing ang preparation natin with the COMELEC and also with different security elements. And we are waiting for final guidance.
So far po, kamusta yung security situation?
Okay naman, wala naman siyang nakita nating effect. Sa ngayon, very busy tayo sa this coming CRC declaration, and we advise all the candidates to remain calm at to have a peaceful elections next year. Parang gawin natin, parang sports lang. Gawin natin parang may people tayo.
Sir, ako balikan ko lang